Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am keeping everything super simple to do with concealer. So I want to make you confident in applying brightening product and concealer and where to put it and what brush to use. I'm going to give you all that good stuff. So if you're excited to see this video, then definitely give it a like and subscribe to see more videos like this. But for now, keep watching. Okay, so to start with, I've already applied my foundation, which is a Studio Fix Fluid in NC18. So I've got that already on and I've already shaped my brows. So what I need to do is now brighten under the eyes. So because under the eyes, it's a lot thinner than the rest of our face. Usually under this kind of area, it gets quite dark, especially if we've had a bad sleep or if we've had a late night the night before. So I love to use Yves Saint Laurent Touche, which is this product here. And this is the High Cover Radiant Concealer. There is an original as well, but this one has also got some cover in it. Now I love to have extra coverage because I usually am working throughout the day and I need to make sure that I have got a lot of coverage to last me that time. But some of you will be fine just to apply this. So I'm just going to apply it to one side of my face first. Just anywhere that you want to brighten. It's got that little pen on here as well. So whenever you want to get product out of there, you just push that pen. So I'm just going to apply it on this side of the face to start with. And you want to remember to actually apply the brightener in here as well. This area tends to get quite dark because you've got your nose in the way and yeah, it just gets really, really dark or appears dark. I'm going to use my finger, so I've got clean hands. Make sure you've got clean hands. And I'm just going to press that underneath by dabbing. Just like so, and take it up, right up to underneath the lashes. So why I like to use my finger for this is your fingers are warm, and for this product here, I love to be able to warm it up and to make sure it's not going to be too heavy under there. So now I'm going to go in with concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape, and a lot of YouTubers love using this product. This is the Ultra Creamy formula. It's not the original. The original is a lot more matte, but because I'm in my 40s, I feel like I really want to make sure that I brighten and have that whole area radiant. So that's why I am using that one there. This is in the color light medium. And I am going to take some of that product. It's got a wand like that. So I'm just going to take that product and I'm going to apply it. Just dot it under there. And I am, for this one, going to use a fluffy brush to apply, to blend that in. But you could also use a damp beauty blender. So you can see now it's still radiant and it's given me nice coverage as well. I haven't done anything on this side of the face yet at all, and you can see how much brighter that looks. Okay, so after you've done under your eyes, you can just have a look around and see if there's any other areas that need extra coverage. So that could be redness through here. A lot of people get rosacea, and a good coverage concealer or like a medium coverage concealer is really good for that. And there's also like just imperfections sometimes that we have. You might have some pimples or something like that, which you can use concealer for. So if you're after more coverage than what this is giving you, maybe you've got some pigmentation that you really need to cover, then the MAC Studio Finish Concealer is amazing. It's like a full coverage, but it's still workable. It's not really matte. So that is a really good one to look at if you are needing extra coverage, but I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the brightening concealer, the radiant concealer, and also the Tarte Shape Tape to this side, and then I'm going to show you where else I would apply it. Okay, so I've applied the brightening concealer by Yves Saint Laurent and the Tarte Shape Tape underneath my eyes. So I've done that area. So now I just need to think about where else do I want to brighten on the face, and it tends to be down the middle of the nose. We want to draw attention and light through that middle of the nose and on the forehead. I'm also going to put it on the bow of the lip because this is going to make the lips appear more pouty, which is really good, and on the chin as well. You can also put it through this sort of area here, but I'm going to use a highlighting powder for that, so I'm not going to worry about that. So I can go back with my fluffy brush. Okay, so now you can see how radiant my skin's looking. Obviously I'm gonna set some areas with some powder afterwards, but for now we have made radiant the areas that we want to make radiant. So I'm gonna go with my Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm gonna apply it anywhere that I need extra coverage. So basically for me, it's that little spot there that I was talking about before. Where else? Maybe I've got a little bit of pigmentation there. And that's pretty much the only area that I need at the moment. But definitely if you've got redness or if you need extra coverage, then definitely go in with your concealer and get those areas covered. Okay, so this is a really good tip as well. If you find that you're blending in your concealer and it's just not giving you coverage, but it is like a good coverage concealer and it's just not doing its job, what you should try before going to a heavier concealer is actually using your brush or your finger, or a beauty blender is better, on the actual area that you're trying to cover and dab instead of wiping. So this can really help to add coverage on the area that you need the extra coverage. Okay, so I am fully happy with what I've got going on here. It is good coverage and it's really all you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I will see you in a minute. Hey, welcome back. So I have fully finished my makeup look. This is the look that I've gone for, super simple and just radiant and brightened. You can see the concealer that we've used under here has just left my eyes looking nice and radiant as well, and that is perfect for any sort of look that you wanted to do. So if you've learned some great tips on this video, then definitely give it a like and also subscribe to see more videos like this.